Hey everyone, how are you all? I hope you are doing well. This is Smita and you watching Smita in the second. So today's topic not a English type. Today is I'm making blog. Okay. So you know I am in Abu Dhabi. I'm from Abu Dhabi, but today I'm in other place in UAE Emirates. This is one of them. Its name Al Kuwait. Okay, so I'm in a stay in resort hotel. It's nearby sea. So I will show you. It's early. Look now, 5 o'clock and sea view. It's amazing. It's very relaxing. So if you want this type of blog, I am now here for 2 days stay. So if you want this type blog, if you want to know what I'm doing here, so I will make blog for you and I show you everything here, what I'm doing, how's the everything. Okay, first look the sea view. Oh my god, very nice. This time sunrise is not. Look, there is one plane. Okay, wow, and very nice place here for me. Okay, so I'm making first time vlog. So I don't know what I'm saying or not, but yeah, actually I will show you everyone. This is beautiful sea. That's why I'm making vlog for you. Okay. So this is that 5 o'clock. Look the sky, little orange. Beautiful morning with sea. We are stay here. It's nearby sea. This is my bath. Look, this is my balcony, and it's early morning. Wake up today. So I thought, why I'm not making a blog for you? So that's why I'm making. If you like this video and you want more blog, I will make it for you. Okay, so thank you for watching.